Today, I wanted to share with you the health benefits of Bittergourd, which is also known as Bitter Melon. This bitter melon is known to reduce the symptoms of asthma and hay fever. Its antiviral and inflammatory properties are second to none. Bittergourd also contains powerful ingredients such as a-carotene and b-carotene. Together, these compounds can significantly improve eye health. For centuries, traditional Chinese medicine has been using Bittergourd as a treatment for skin conditions such as eczema and scabies. Bittergourd is also an effective healing implement. It's packed full of vitamin K, which promotes blood clotting and wound healing. Fun fact: did you know that Bittergourd is used in a popular dish called ampalaya in the Philippines? It's mixed with scrambled egg to bring out its flavour and texture. I love it. Thanks for watching Lemon's Health. Please subscribe for more health food information. Bye bye!